Have you ever looked at a simple colocasia leaf and imagined it turning into two of the most comforting dishes from a traditional South Indian kitchen? Today we are going straight from the garden to the kitchen, harvesting fresh colocasia leaves and transforming them into spiced pathrode and flavorful kadubu. Watch the complete video for tips and tricks to get the authentic taste and perfect roll. Let's begin in the garden. Harvest the heart-shaped colocasia leaves to prepare pathrode and kadubu. You don't need the stems for this recipe. We just want healthy, fresh leaves. I'm carefully cutting the leaves, making sure not to bruise or tear them. I'm also harvesting two large turmeric leaves to wrap the kadubu. Now let's prepare the flavorful masala that will give our pathrode and kadubu their distinct taste. I'm starting by dry roasting 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Next, I'll dry roast 8 to 10 dried red chilies. Then I'm dry roasting 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. At the end, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll keep them aside and let them cool down. I had soaked 1 cup of rice overnight. I'm saving the rice soaking water to use it as needed while grinding the batter. Now into the blender go the soaked rice, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 lemon-sized piece of soaked tamarind, 3 tablespoons of jaggery, and the roasted spices which I have allowed to cool. I'm removing the stems from the dried red chilies before adding them to the blender. I'll gradually add the rice soaking water and blend everything into a thick paste. Finally, I'll add salt to taste and blend once more to make the smooth paste. The masala is now ready. Now let's prepare the leaves. I have washed them thoroughly. I'm trimming away the tougher veins from the back of the leaves. This step is important because it makes the leaves more flexible and helps prevent them from breaking while we layer and roll the pathrode. Colocasia leaves naturally contain calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause an itchy or tingling sensation if the leaves aren't prepared properly. That's why traditional recipes often use sour ingredients such as tamarind along with proper cooking to help reduce that irritating effect. To prepare pathrode, I'm starting with the largest colocasia leaf and placing it with the backside facing up. Now I'm spreading a thin, even layer of the masala paste over the entire leaf. Have you ever cooked with fresh colocasia leaves from your garden? If you have, I would love to know what's your favorite dish to make with colocasia leaves. Pathrode, kadubu, or something completely different? Post your answer in the comments below. I would love to see which dish is the favorite among all of you. I'm placing another leaf on top. I'm using a leaf that is either the same size or slightly smaller, and I'm positioning it in the opposite direction. Again, I'll spread the masala evenly over the entire surface. Now I'm folding one side of the leaf toward the center and spreading more masala over the folded section. I'll do the same with the other side. And now comes the most important part, rolling the leaves carefully and tightly. As I roll, I'm continuing to spread the masala so that it coats the layers evenly and no part of the leaf is left uncovered. The tighter and more evenly you roll the pathrode, the better the layers will hold together when we slice later. And our pathrode roll is ready for steaming. Heat the water in a steamer on medium flame to produce steam for cooking pathrode. While the water is heating, let's make kadubu with the leftover masala and a colocasia leaf. For this video, I'm just making one kadubu for demonstration with the remaining masala. I've removed the tougher veins and chopped the leaf into small pieces. Now I'll mix the chopped colocasia leaf with the remaining masala paste. I'm using 2 turmeric leaves placed one over the other to wrap the kadubu. Place the kadubu mixture at the center and fold them so all the sides are secure. Now it's ready for steaming. Now I'll place the kadubu in the steamer. I'm also placing the rolled pathrode into the steamer along with it. I'll let both of them steam for about 45 minutes on medium flame. While they steam, all those spices, tamarind, jaggery, and coconut come together with the colocasia leaves to create that wonderful traditional aroma. After turning off the gas, I'll let them stay in the steamer for 15 minutes before slicing and serving. And now the moment we have been waiting for. Let's take the kadubu out of the steamer and carefully unfold the turmeric leaves. Look at that. And now let's take the pathrode out. I'll slice the roll into beautiful discs. Just look at those layers. You can see colocasia leaves and the flavorful masala beautifully layered throughout the pathrode. I'm adding a teaspoon of coconut oil to enhance the taste of pathrode and kadubu. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. And there we have it, fresh colocasia leaves harvested straight from the garden and transformed into delicious pathrode and kadubu. I love recipes like these because they bring together the garden, the kitchen, and tradition in one beautiful journey. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.